Bluehost versus InterServer. Which web host is better for you? If you're looking for a reliable web hosting provider, this comparison between Bluehost and InterServer will help you decide which one suits your needs best. Both offer strong features, but they cater to different types of users. Bluehost, a popular choice for beginners and WordPress users. Pricing and plans. Bluehost is known for its low introductory prices, but keep in mind that renewal prices increase significantly. Their shared hosting plans come with free domain for the first year, unmetered bandwidth, free SSL certificate, easy WordPress integration. This makes Bluehost a great option for new website owners, especially those looking to start a WordPress site. However, the higher renewal pricing may be a concern for budget-conscious users. Performance and reliability. Bluehost is optimized for WordPress hosting, providing a smooth experience for WordPress users. It offers a custom control panel for easy website management, fast load times, though performance may slow down on shared hosting, 99.9% uptime guarantee. Some users report occasional performance slowdowns, especially on cheaper shared hosting plans with high server loads. Customer support. Bluehost provides 24/7 customer support through live chat, phone, help center with guides and tutorials. While Bluehost support is available around the clock, some users have experienced longer wait times and inconsistent support quality. Security and additional features. Bluehost includes free SSL certificates for added security, daily malware scans, automatic WordPress updates. For additional security features, such as site backups and advanced malware protection, you may need to purchase extra add-ons. You should choose Bluehost if you're a beginner looking for an easy WordPress hosting solution, if you want a free domain for the first year, if you prefer a well-known hosting provider with official WordPress.org. Recommendation. For those interested in purchasing hosting or registering a domain with Bluehost, the link is available in the description. InterServer. Affordable, reliable hosting with transparent pricing and plans. InterServer stands out for its price lock guarantee, meaning that the price you sign up for will never increase upon renewal. Their standard web hosting plan offers unlimited storage, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited websites, free website migration. This makes InterServer a great option for those looking for predictable pricing and long-term affordability. Performance and reliability. InterServer maintains 50% server capacity, ensuring low traffic congestion and consistent performance. Their hosting includes interproxy caching technology for faster load speeds, 99.9% uptime guarantee, custom-built security solutions. This means InterServer provides stable performance, especially for users who need a reliable and secure hosting environment. Customer support. InterServer offers 24/7 customer support via live chat, phone support, ticket system. Many users praise InterServer's support for being quick and efficient, with knowledgeable agents ready to assist. Security and additional features. InterServer includes strong security measures for free, such as automatic malware scanning, DDoS protection, free SSL certificate. Unlike some other hosts, InterServer doesn't charge extra for these essential security features. Who should choose InterServer? If you want affordable pricing with no renewal price hikes, if you need unlimited resources, storage, bandwidth, websites, if you prefer free website migration and strong security. For those interested in purchasing hosting or registering a domain with InterServer, the link is available in the description. Final verdict. Choose Bluehost if you're a beginner looking for easy WordPress hosting and don't mind higher renewal costs. Choose InterServer if you prefer affordable, stable hosting with transparent pricing and strong security features. No matter which hosting provider you choose, both offer reliable services for different needs. Check the links in the description of this video to get started with Bluehost or InterServer today.